there's two things. Because I'm the systems accountant, I don't get involved with the day-to-day forecasting or budgeting. But I do where the systems integrate. And so our prior system, I would be manually exporting from a system into Excel and then uploading that into our finance system. And that process, for example, used to take me 3 weeks to do because it was a manual import, check, export. And that now takes a few minutes to import the data across. And then obviously data validations, realistically 2 to 3 hours. It's having the confidence that you're working across a large number of schools, you're trying to get consistency. So again, when you're presenting the numbers up to the board, or obviously that's not me, that's a colleague, presents numbers to the board, who's trustees, you've got real confidence in the validity. And it's the depth and breadth of the numbers. So it goes all the way down to individuals and contracts, which is obviously the depth. And the breadth is you can apply statistics and calculators across the trust. So whereas previously it would be very disparate, it would be, you wouldn't really know, the quality of the baseline data wasn't there. So that's a big step forward. What I like about the support, because I'm an admin person, I get 3 options to support. But what I like is the people who deal with me, I can honestly say to them, look, I'm having a dicky day, and between us, we'll often find a solution. So, and that means that obviously I'm in a comfortable place with them because by the time I contact support, I have often been through all the guides and I've literally just got stuck. And I would say that they're always incredibly friendly and personable. And sometimes they might not know the answer and that's fine. But you sort of work together with them, which is nice.